what's happening all over the world today. 360 POV. Let's see what can we make from
take the second exit.
Those positions. I need to go left here.
After 200 meters, take the second
I was
left.
finished for today. It's 8 o'clock, half 9 in the morning. Very good park, ladies. Okay. Everything is okay. Grandma, she's speaking, she doesn't care about anything. Okay, nice. I was finished for today. It's Friday, 8 o'clock. Finished for this week, but I need to leave my truck in the Koblenz. Actually Mülheim Karlich. It's one Duff service center, so I will need repair shop. So I have 2 hours until there. I will leave the truck. I think it will they will put truck on diagnostic today and see if can they resolve today or tomorrow, or I have to make some new termin with if it will last long, so I have to make some another appointment. Okay, now right, I first time drive this road. I am going from highway 5 to 45 to Limburg. Actually it's national street, some I don't know the name, I always forget, 49 maybe or something like that. And I need yeah, they will put on diagnostic to see what malfunction is, how much they need to repair, and we will make agreement maybe next week, maybe week after that or something like that. Oppa, it's fox or it's a rabbit. I need to clean my mirrors. So enjoying view, enjoying ride, and stay tuned. I'm still here. I will not leave you alone to drive here. Let's see. I don't know, did I tell you, but I'm so disappointed in this 360 camera. That is not normal. The footage is 720 and says it's 5.4 and it's 7K, but there is not even close. Like I said in some before videos, I will try to record something outside the truck on bright light and everything to see how it will goes, but I think something is not okay with this 360. Maybe I should have buy Insta360, but I saw also some footage on YouTube. I think it's the same. What's this? I have to go left, but I'm not able to see. Is there anything on another side? Nothing. Okay. Danke schön. Sorry ladies, I need to go. Danke. this guy have sense for maybe he's a truck driver, but he let me really great position to drive. Thanks, mate, whoever that you are, thanks. It's time to work, man, huh? The man's gotta do what man's gotta do. There's a bike over there. Okay, this was safe overtaking. What do you think about this view and forest and everything, sun and perfect condition for drive? Write me in a comment if you think it's good or not, or for me it's beautiful. The perfect condition is now. Driving over the hills, sunny day, not so warm, open window, everything is dry, road is good, very nice, it's not bumpy too much or anything. And whoop, I didn't notice this curve is so much big. Okay, Butzbach again, but this is another Butzbach. Freiwillig wegen uns. Because of us drive 30, it's not you must, but freiwillig, free will, if you want to. Why not, man? When somebody asks you, polite or right, because of us, never problem. Nothing is problem, especially for kids and their safety. Wetzlar. I am here near Wetzlar. Now it's a little clear to me. Where am I now?
Please follow the route for 4 kilometers.
I don't know from where is rain. There is no rain. 2 days, 3 days. crossing the street on the car. It's good. Up, up. A little bit bumpy. Whoa, what's this? What's this? Easy, easy, easy. This place is familiar to me, but I cannot says Lala 9. I don't know really.
Turn left. Then turn left. After 100 meters, turn left. Then turn right. Turn left. Then turn right.
Okay. It's 4 meters. I should stay to buy something to eat.
After 100 meters, turn right. Turn right.
Turn right. Lady, are you sure?
For 5 kilometers. Sharp
It
turn
doesn't
right.
look like to me normal road here. She and I, we were driving
Sharp
some
turn right.
crazy situation, but mostly because of she told me go there, try this. She doesn't want to give me something easy,
Sharp turn left.
but I like her. She is a great girl. She never leave me. She is all the time with me. You are good. Since now, I don't wanna spoil you. Whoppa! Look at the view, look at the view. The best thing on this job is this, the view. The best thing. The best thing. Okay. People drive here like crazy. Welcome to the forest. Where is the bears? Oh, I would like now to go over there between the trees and make some videos. It's beautiful with sunshines and everything. Pam-pa-down. What's up, 360? What are you doing? Are you making good videos or not? If not, you will go for sale. One thing more, GoPro Max, he cannot record in 4K, only 1080p, but Insta360 X2 she can. But I think I was made a bad decision on this camera, but okay. But okay. Look at this. I need to make another one. Easy, dude. I'm driving 35 and he's 60. I think in 1.5 kilometers is normal street now. I don't know, can you hear how he changed the speeds, the gear? It's perfect. That is good thing in Duff. In the millisecond he changed the speeds. That's the very nice thing. And that's all. I don't know, this new Mercedes MP5, did they make something better than last one? But MP4 was terrible. Shift was terrible, so terrible. There's some percentage down the hill, 12, 7, 13 or 11%. Ah, no big deal. Slow down, and that's all. Okay.
Please follow the route for 13 kilometers.
With these glasses I look like some mafia guy, huh? Mafia. That's the spirit. Give gas, man. I'm just wondering now, for example, Tesla, if he's on autopilot, for example, and drive to street like this, but without middle lane, for example. I don't know how what is function of sensors, but for example, I have to go over the edge of the road. Did Tesla also go or stays or stop in the place, or what's happening with that? I'm just curious. I didn't see any video about that, or I don't know, Mercedes new and this autonomous vehicle with autopilots. Or did they, I don't know, did they also use the autopilots on these streets or only on highway? I don't know that also. If someone knew, write me in a comment. But if you are still here, you can also write me in a comment what do you think about autopilots on cars and everything. What do you think about that? My personal opinion is now it's the beginning. It's not safe 100% more, but when all the vehicles have autopilots, I think it will be perfect. It will save more lives and everything, and I think it will be very, very, very good thing. I think they have to change some street also for that, but I think that is the good thing. Write me what do you think. Maybe somebody have some idea that is not the same like mine, but only the facts. Why do you think is that? I think only one important thing is saving lives. If they save one life, it's good, but I think they can save more lives. Because especially if they put, I think that some cars have that alcohol sensor, you know, if you are driving and you have alcohol, to don't let you to drive, won't start or don't let you to drive. Okay, your companion, your passenger, but if you have alcohol, that's the also good thing. Call a taxi, man, and drive. I don't know, did you watch this new video about, did I spoke about that, or I don't know, about new Duff? It's very nice, very nice. Emmanuel Fulco sent me that to see. I didn't know it. It's already on the air. Thank you, Emmanuel. It's really good thing. with camera, multimedia here, more space for driver. These seats, when you stop, go on the right side so you can enjoy the cabin. Also it's good. The bed is multifunctional, so you can sit, you can lay down, and something like a new Volvo. What else? This door, you can, this seat move, and there is a window over there and you can see some situation. Camera left side, right side, and also this, there is a camera over there, but there is one tablet, and you can watch more wider, you know. It's really good. This angle is very important over there, very important, especially when you drive near something, and you have to make a sense for you. 60. But feeling, you have to make a feeling, but sometimes you need a little bit more. And that camera, they I think it's 90 degrees angle. You can see right side, left side. I can see here only in front of me. I cannot see the right side. I have this mirror for right side, but I miss maybe like this. So I think it's really nice. I don't know what they are do about sensors for distance and everything. Duff doesn't have, Mercedes have the perfect distance sensors since now. Scania is also good, but Mercedes, they have, for me, the perfect sensor for now. For distance sensor, you can stop and go with that sensor, and with this you need to, when you speed is down 30 kilometers per hour, it's off, and you have to drive by yourself. And what else? I was so okay that the wheel is there. There is no more here gears, it's now here, forward, backward, neutral, and that's all. This is more buttons here for multimedia and everything. You have here display. Just put on YouTube Duff XG and you will see, and XG Plus, and you will see. I like the new, also the board here is flat. In front I think they have charger like Mercedes for phone or something like that. They have one drawer down there, and it's good when they have drawer. And I think this surface is now flat. There is no more bigger or something. I was drinking my coffee. It looks like pretty nice. When I speak about truck, I don't care about exterior, about outside. I only care about inside, because I'm whole day in truck, and I want to have comfort and everything, and I'm interested for that. This flat surface, something like this is perfect for me. If somebody make something like this, you know, whole flat surface, that is the perfect for us. You can put some things, you can put your laptops when you eat, everything is flat. You don't have to afraid something will fall down. A lot of drivers, they have this table, but if factory make this, you know, when it's made by Mercedes or Duff, it's the best, you know, but make it flat, people. For me, you can make everything flat here. For me it will be the perfect. Everything from this side to another side. My opinion. stand klima when you stop to work. It must be this steckdose, this for electricity, 2 kilowatt for coffee machine. It must be if you sleep in a truck. Second bed, I don't need second bed when you are alone, but some expedition they drive, you can buy extra. But if you put over there also some closets, it will be also nice, you know, microwave and some things. It is also very nice, very nice.
After 400 meters at the traffic circle, take the second exit. Take the second exit.
So that's the some of the things, you know, what I like. Also for me, it's beautiful when you have multimedia here, when everything is on the touch screen, you know, when you have big multimedia navigation. This also, this Mercedes new Duff, it's perfect. Okay, it will be in the future more of that, but go Audi, you have 3.0. Look at this biker. Honda. I don't know is this Honda or not. I'm just kidding. So that's the some things, you know, when you need, but okay. They will make it in the future pretty good, but something you can custom made, you know, what is good for you, but something you cannot. Also this chargers, you know, I have only one here, and USB I have two, but when I stuck in it show me slow charging, and if navigation works, it's not able to load my navigation. It go down there, it's slow charge. It's very slow charge, you know. Put the 3.0, you know, put the 2 here, you know, if you want to put camera or something, put 2 here, put 2 there, another side also, cup holders for the bottles. Also this new Duff, when you open this, it's at position for 2 bottles. Mercedes have here something for bottle, so that's the also nice thing. What else is also good when you don't have curtains? For example, these curtains, when you have this to down, full down, and that's all, that will be the perfect. Also here, until like in campers, you know, or from left side to right side, it's also great. Curtains, sometimes you have something here and then you need to check it out to this, but that's the small things, but It means a lot for us.
Take the second exit.
Scania, what's up, Scania?
After 300 meters at the traffic circle, take the second exit.
Oop, oop, oop.
Take the second exit. Please follow the route for 3 kilometers.
30 for trucks, okay. You see, you can use it under 30 tempomat. It's not usable. You need use a brake or something, but in Mercedes you are able to do that. Okay. I think this camera will make a footage if I drive over 30. What's up? 7.5. Limburg. Okay. Something was happening. Look at this view, huh?
Hard turn right.
Triumphal gate, huh? Or not? It's so narrow here. Limburg, 22 kilometers. I need that exit. Ooh, look at this. Is there a castle? Something like that.
Sharp turn right.
Try to stand up. Man, I'm driving now, I cannot stand up. Lady, did you lose something? She's changing the plates, license plates. Up to the
After 700 meters
hill.
at the traffic circle, take the second exit.
Let's see if now don't fall back. It's perfect holder, this 360. I'm going like this. Look at that. This holder grip, it's so perfect. GoPro make it really good. Go, 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 go.
After 300 meters at the traffic circle, take the second exit.
Take the second exit. Limburg, okay. I was taught to not drive across these hills and everything. I was taught to drive on highway, but I decided, and I am not regret. It's really beautiful. It was really beautiful view.
Take the second exit.
I like these mornings like this. It's so beautiful to drive.
Please follow the route for 3 kilometers.
Some industrial area over there. This blue on navigation is everything is industrial area. Some of the factories. Why they are stuck? Very nice motorcycle. I always put a curtain here because I didn't make my bed. I put some stuff over there so you don't have to look at it. It's cleaner like this. It's not a big deal, but cool. Okay, how do you think left? Limburg. So you think like this, straightforward.
Please follow the route for 17 kilometers.
Dun, ta-da! There is one fuel station here, tank station. I wanna go over there to see they have a shower or not, to eat something, make a pause. I have time. In 1 kilometers fuel station. This is 49 B Street to Limburg to Wetzlar. Give gas, Peugeot, give gas. Verpackungshandel and Pulverbeschichtung. It's so long word. Verpackungshandel und Pulverbeschichtung. Where is this? It's more in front of me. What do you say about the view? I says it's perfect. So perfetto. Fuel station is here. I'm going to see.
After 200 meters,
Do they
take the
have-
second right. Then turn left.
Do they have showers and everything? So, my friends, that will be all from this video from sunny Germany. I hope you are enjoy. Look at this trip, 2% of 360. She's making. See you guys. Stay safe, be positive, and in your head. Bye. Bye also you too.